How's it, guys? My name's Kenji and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to have a quick race with the A45 AMG and my M2 competition, and this video is sponsored by an energy drink called A45. This is it. This is the owner.
How's it going, guys?
Where can you get these A45 drinks?
Well, they are available at your local markets, your local stores.
Yeah.
By July, they will be available in basically all Caltex garage, press stop garages.
Oh wow. Brilliant.
I am also working on the other forecourts.
Great.
Like BP, Engine, and also Puma, you know?
Great. It's going to get an extra 20 kilowatts. Oh god, nice and refreshing. Brilliant. So guys, look out for these A45. Support the man. Cool drink. Very nice. Jeez.
It's refreshing, eh?
So anyway, A45 AMG is a very well-known car, so I wouldn't really talk about the power figures and all that. Everybody knows exactly what A45 AMG is.
First edition.
Oh, this is the first edition one.
No, I mean like the edition, the first edition.
Oh, this is the first. Okay, it's the first edition. So this is the one that I actually owned. I actually owned one of this as well, and that's how we got to know.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, but I didn't know you when you had that. I mean,
yeah. So I actually owned, yeah. So, yeah, looks very, sure, looks so familiar.
Yeah.
I'm
kind of waiting for the new specs to come out, the 2019 edition.
Yes.
So that's going to be something to...
I think what, 310 kilowatts at least?
Dude. But I reckon they're going to make it as they, like I read an article and they said it's going to be about six cylinders. Twin scroll turbo.
6-cylinder twin scroll turbo.
And they're also releasing the S version. I'm not sure if you heard about that.
Yes, the A45S.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So that's something that we can look forward to.
So any mods on this car that you've done extra?
No,
Seats
basically
really
the
kitted
grill,
out.
which you guys all know about from the last video. That
Lovely grill.
I just like it better than the...
I didn't post that video actually because you guys ran away from me.
Oh snap! Okay, well guys, I put the A250 grill on just because of its glamour, I guess. I found the netted, the plain one that comes on the A45 a bit too plain, you know. And I also just made the rims black, but otherwise still stock, still on motor plan, you know.
Not bad.
Oh yes, and I put the rear diffuser on that comes on the facelift. Yeah, the diffuser at the bottom.
Diffuser. Can't see. Don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but
It's got this flap.
yeah, that's pretty cool. For extra downforce.
Yeah.
Does it work?
I don't know, it just looks cooler. I just bought it because it looks cooler.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so...
Cool. Ready to get your ass kicked?
Waiting for you? Let's see about this.
Let me finish.
I'm really interested to see
Okay,
what's gonna happen.
Jeez. Let me finish the drink. Really good. Alright, see you guys now. Welcome to the race. Okay, it's gonna be a pretty cool race. Same thing as the RA6 race. Straightforward, straight line, rolling race. We're gonna do like 2 or 3 times to see, you know, to be fair, to see everything's alright, everything's good. Yeah, let's do this. Hold on, get the right gear. 3, 2, 1, go! And now? Okay, hold on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Are you trying? Are you even pushing? No countdown. Okay. I just want to call to say goodbye. Oh.
No, dude, the line is clear.
Alright, let's do this.
Let him just get his distance. 1. Okay, on 3, eh?
Wait, okay. You can't.
1, 2, 3.
One for the BM. Yeah, so by the way guys, we are keeping it at 120 km per hour. Strictly.
Oh, yeah.
Am I right, Bish? We're law-abiding citizens.
Yeah, you're quick now, eh?
Yeah.
Cylinder's pushing.
Not bad, eh?
The cylinders are working, bro.
But you got quattro, but I mean that doesn't help on rolling. I think it helps on the launch.
On the base.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but seriously, like you were fast in the launch. But I think my car does have quite a bit more torque than your car.
Yeah.
That started to like just push on, you know. Okay, come to my right to get your ass kicked. Okay, go in front of me. Go half a car in front of me. All right. Wait, what you doing? What you doing? Slow down.
Oh, so you're giving me half a car?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, a full car. I'll give you a full car. Shame. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
You too fast.
This guy is strong, eh? Rolling this guy. You gonna kill me from the straight, off the line. You will kill me. Of course you will. You got quattro, not quattro. Sorry, sorry. I'm not offending the Audi guys. I apologize. 4MATIC. Sorry.
4MATIC.
Bloody hell, I offended both. I offended Mercedes and Audis. Okay, chill. Cops. Let's do one more. Let's just wait for these cars to go. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, hurry! What you doing?
Hurry, I'm putting down.
What are you doing? Why are you slowing down? I love this car! Ah! Oh, I feel like Jamie Clarkson power! Guys, there we have it. A45 AMG race, stock, M2 competition, stock, on a rolling race. It's no match for the M2 competition. Sorry. Thank you, Mishkal, for the video. Thank you for the race.
My petrol's full.
Dude, this car chows, dude.
Dude,
So
my petrol was full. Yours is like, I'm just nearly reserved.
Yeah. So what do you think? What do you
I
think?
reckon you got me on the petrol, eh?
Really?
Yeah. I'm jokes, man. Now the M2 is faster, given that it's a 6-cylinder twin turbo.
Yeah.
You know, like,
Yeah. It does have 2 extra cylinders.
so, like, I don't think the A45 is too bad, especially given how small the engine is compared to this thing, you know?
Yeah.
But all credit to the M2, all credit to Kenji.
But look, this is pretty good. Pretty cool. No, thanks for coming. It was great. It was great. Yeah, we should do it again once you got software and downpipe.
Yeah, definitely.
But it was fun though.
Better.
I had to practice my donuts though.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this.
See you guys, subscribe please.
Yeah. Cheers guys.